Have you been wondering how to set up a successful Facebook ad campaign that can help you generate more qualified traffic? If so, then you have come to the right place. My name is GM and I have more than 3 years of professional experience in digital marketing. We are a great team with smart expertise in ad optimization to generate sales through Facebook and Instagram ads. Now let's talk about the steps that I choose to make a perfect setup. These steps involve landing page analysis and testing, set up campaign goals as per your business objectives, create detailed buyer persona for your business, competitor research, A/B testing across the campaign, install Facebook pixel and event tracking, target audiences, lookalike audiences, campaign optimization and reporting. So, let's grow your business together.